Good morning, everyone. I'm Roldan Balukay. Today, I want to talk about the topic that's been weighing on my mind heavily and the mind of my peers: youth depression. As the great American author Ernest Hemingway once said, the word breaks everyone, and afterward, some are struck at the broken places. This quote really resonates with me when it comes to the issue of youth depression. It seems like the word is constant, throwing challenges and obstacles our way. It can be really difficult to stay strong and resilient. So, why are you so many people today struggling with depression? Well, there are a lot of different factors contribute to this. One of the main factor is the pressure to succeed. In today's society, there's a lot of emphasis on academic achievement, career success, and social status. This pressure can be really overwhelming for young people like us, especially those who are already struggling with self-esteem issues. Another factor that can contribute to this depression is social media. While social media can be a great way to connect with friends and family, it can also have a negative impact on our mental health. The constant comparison to others, the fear of missing out, and the pressure to present a perfect image can take a toll on our self-esteem and make us feel anxious and depressed. So, what can we do to address the issue of youth depression? Well, the first thing step is to raise awareness about the signs and symptoms of depression. Many young people may not realize that they are struggling with depression, or they may be too afraid to seek help. By raising awareness and educating ourselves and others about depression, we can help to reduce the stigma associated with mental illnesses and encourage young people to seek the support they need. Another important step is to provide support and resources for young people who are struggling with depression. This can include access to mental health services, support groups, and counseling, and it's also important to create a safe and supportive environment for young people where they need, where they feel valued and accepted for who they are. Youth depression is a serious issue that affects many young people today. By raising awareness, providing support, and taking care of ourselves and our mental health, we can help to reduce the prevalence of depression among young people and create a brighter future for ourselves and for generations. Thank you.